In this MacrosFirst tutorial, I'm going to show you the benefits of using the copy and paste feature. For the first example, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste a food item that you know you're going to consume on a daily basis. This example, I'm using the 3 fish oil pills that I take every single morning without fail. So I'm going to tap on the 3 dots next to vitamins, and then I'm going to click copy meal to another day. I'm going to spin the toggle wheel to adjust it to the next day, and click the vitamins meal, and then hit the check mark. And then you can see it automatically jumps me to that day to show me that logged item. And then I can repeat that process by clicking on the 3 dots on that day, copy meal to another day, adjust the date, hit the meal type, hit check mark, and I'm good to go, and then just go down the line. I generally like to do this on a Sunday, and I'll just float those fish oil pills in through the week to the following Sunday. And you could take this as far ahead as you want. You could go a whole month in advance if that's what you'd like, just to make things easier on you. I also like to use this feature to copy and paste meals that I often eat multiple times through the week, like one of these breakfasts here. This is one of my standard scrambled egg breakfasts with some sweet potatoes. So you hit the 3 dots, copy meal to another day, choose tomorrow, and then tap on breakfast and hit done. And then it automatically jumps you to tomorrow and shows you how that meal fits into the day. From here, I can modify the line items based on how I'm planning ahead for that meal, or based on how things actually came out when I went to go make that meal the next day, and make sure things are in alignment with what I actually served myself on my plate. And I can scroll up to the ribbon here and see how that meal starts to impact the remaining macro budget for what I've got to use to apply to the other meals of my day if I want to plan ahead. So you can repeat this for all the meals, snacks, and supplements you want.